Welcome to my channel Quiet Rich. Turn on bell icon, like, share.
When most people think about high-end design, they imagine bold statements, grand architecture, luxurious furniture, or eye-catching logos. But true luxury often whispers instead of shouts. It isn't always about showing off or being loud, it's about subtlety. And that subtlety carries more power than we often realize. In this video, we'll explore how understated elements, quiet details, and invisible design choices create the essence of sophistication in luxury design. Whether it's in architecture, fashion, branding, or product design, the real elegance is often in what you don't immediately see. The nature of subtlety is not about doing less, it's about doing things with precision and intention. A subtle design does not overwhelm you at first glance. Instead, it invites you to look deeper, to discover layers of meaning and craftsmanship. Unlike mass-market design, which often relies on loud colors, oversized logos, or dramatic elements to grab attention, high-end design uses restraint. Subtle design respects the intelligence of the viewer, rewarding them for noticing the details. In essence, subtlety transforms design from a transaction into an experience. Subtlety in architecture. Consider luxury architecture. The most expensive and elegant homes are rarely the ones with oversized facades or flashy exteriors. Instead, they rely on proportion, harmony, and natural integration with the environment. A perfectly balanced staircase, the way light enters through a skylight at a specific hour, or the texture of stone that changes throughout the day, these are details that convey richness without needing to scream. Think about the work of Japanese architects, who use minimalist lines and natural materials to create spaces that feel calm, timeless, and profoundly luxurious. It's not about how much you add, it's about how much you refine. True architectural luxury is subtle, because subtlety allows the environment, the materials, and the design itself to breathe. Fashion in subtle luxury. Fashion is another perfect example of subtlety at work. Anyone can recognize a jacket with a giant brand logo plastered across it. But true luxury doesn't need to announce itself. A finely tailored suit or a handbag with no visible branding can often carry more prestige than one covered in monograms. Why? Because luxury consumers value the hidden elements, the stitching, the fabric quality, the cut, and the heritage behind the brand. When you see someone wearing subtle luxury, it isn't obvious to the untrained eye. But to those who know, those who understand design, craftsmanship, and artistry, it speaks volumes. Subtlety in fashion creates exclusivity, because only a few people can recognize and appreciate it. The role of materials. One of the most important aspects of subtle design lies in the choice of materials. High-end design isn't about covering everything in gold or diamonds. It's about using materials that elevate the experience in quiet ways. For instance, the smoothness of hand-polished wood, the softness of cashmere, the cool feel of marble under your fingertips, these sensory experiences are luxuries that don't need to be flashy. Subtle material choices remind us that true wealth is not about excess, but about quality. And when a material is allowed to speak for itself without distraction, it creates a quiet kind of power. Branding in silent confidence. Subtlety also extends to branding. Some of the world's most prestigious brands barely show their logos. Instead, their identity is built on consistency, quality, and storytelling. For example, luxury watchmakers rarely need large advertising campaigns. Instead, their reputation rests on generations of craftsmanship. Their brand becomes recognizable not because of constant promotion, but because of the subtle reputation they have cultivated over decades. This is what I like to call silent confidence. A brand that relies on subtlety does not need to prove itself, it already knows its value, and so does its audience. That's the power of understated design in business. Emotional impact of subtlety. There is also a deep emotional side to subtlety in design. Loud designs can create immediate impact, but they often fade quickly. Subtle designs, however, linger in your memory. They create a sense of calm, refinement, and connection. Think about the experience of entering a room with soft lighting, carefully chosen textures, and uncluttered space. It doesn't overwhelm you, it embraces you. This emotional connection is what sets high-end design apart. Subtlety creates a timelessness that loud designs rarely achieve. You can look at a subtle design for years without growing tired of it, because it reveals itself slowly, layer by layer. Subtlety and storytelling. Great design tells a story, and subtle design tells it quietly but powerfully. Every small detail, every hidden symbol, and every deliberate choice adds depth to the narrative. Take the example of luxury automobiles. On the surface, a car may look simple, sleek lines, understated colors, but under the hood, the story unfolds through engineering, precision, and performance. Subtle design trusts that the audience will take the time to uncover the story. And when they do, the experience becomes far more rewarding. The psychology of subtle luxury. Why does subtlety feel luxurious? The psychology behind it is fascinating. In a world where everyone is fighting for attention, subtlety feels rare. Loudness is common, billboards, advertisements, social media trends, but subtlety resists that chaos. It creates a sense of exclusivity. Subtle design whispers to a select few, "This is not for everyone, this is for those who understand." And that whisper is more powerful than a shout, because it creates intimacy between the design and its audience. This is why luxury often appeals to emotions rather than logic. Subtlety makes you feel special, because you've noticed something most people overlook. Subtlety is a sign of maturity. Another reason subtlety is so powerful is because it signals maturity. Think about personal style. When we are younger, we often want bold, attention-grabbing pieces. But as we grow, we tend to refine our choices, appreciating simplicity and timelessness over trends. The same applies to design. Subtle high-end design shows restraint, patience, and wisdom. It suggests that the creator and the consumer have nothing to prove. That kind of maturity is the ultimate form of confidence. Subtlety in technology and innovation. Even in technology, subtle design is everywhere. The best devices don't always look complicated, they look simple. Think about the elegance of a smartphone with clean lines and a single button, or a luxury speaker that blends seamlessly into your living room. Behind that simplicity lies incredible complexity, but the user doesn't see it. This is another form of subtlety, hiding the complexity to create an effortless experience. True innovation is invisible. When technology feels natural and intuitive, that's when it reaches the level of luxury. Subtlety in daily life. Subtle design isn't limited to products or fashion, it shapes our everyday experiences. A hotel lobby designed with understated elegance makes you feel instantly relaxed. A high-end restaurant may serve dishes that look simple, yet are crafted with extraordinary technique and ingredients. Even in personal spaces, subtle design choices, like the right scent, the right lighting, or the right texture, can transform ordinary moments into extraordinary ones. The beauty of subtle design is that it becomes part of life, not a distraction from it. Timelessness of subtlety. If there is one defining characteristic of subtle design, it is timelessness. Trends come and go, but subtlety endures. What is considered flashy today may look outdated tomorrow. But a subtle, well-crafted design will remain relevant for decades. This is why the most iconic designs in history, whether in architecture, fashion, or technology, are often the most understated. Subtlety resists the noise of trends, allowing design to become eternal. Lessons from subtle design. So, what can we learn from the power of subtlety in high-end design? First, that less truly can be more. Second, that real value comes not from being the loudest, but from being the most thoughtful. And third, that subtle design isn't about hiding, it's about revealing, slowly, meaningfully, and beautifully. When we embrace subtlety, we not only create elegance, but also longevity, trust, and emotional connection.
Thanks for watching video.